Good evening to our viewers in the West. Thank you for joining us. I'm Major Garrett in for Norah. Tonight we begin with big developments in the criminal investigations into former President Donald Trump. Attorney General Merrick Garland today appointed a special counsel to take the lead. Jack Smith has a long history with the Department of Justice and is the former chief prosecutor for the special court in The Hague, which investigates and prosecutes war crimes. He will now oversee the probe into the January 6th insurrection and Trump's efforts to overturn the 2020 election, as well as the investigation of the former president's handling of classified documents found at Mar-a-Lago. The appointment comes just 3 days after Trump announced his 2024 candidacy for the White House. And this afternoon, the former president slammed the appointment, calling it political and a disgrace. CBS's Jeff Pegues starts us off tonight from the Justice Department. Jeff, good evening.
Yeah, good evening. This was not a last-minute decision. Privately, DOJ officials have been discussing this idea of appointing a special counsel for weeks now, and this likely speeds up the investigations swirling around Donald Trump. Attorney General Merrick Garland said today that given former President Trump's decision to run again, it was in the public interest to appoint a special counsel.
It also allows prosecutors and agents to continue their work expeditiously and to make decisions indisputably guided only by the facts and the law.
Tapped for the job, Jack Smith, a war crimes prosecutor and former head of the Justice Department's Public Integrity Section. He will now decide whether Mr. Trump will face charges in the case involving classified documents found at Trump's Florida estate, and whether he and his allies interfered with the transfer of power on January 6th.
This decision takes a lot of the politics out of it. He's appointed a long-time career prosecutor, highly respected, very experienced.
Historically, special counsels have been appointed to avoid conflicts and political influence. The Garland's move comes just days after Trump's 2024 announcement.
And I'm a victim.
Setting up a potential rematch with President Biden. Trump responded late tonight.
This horrendous abuse of power is the latest in a long series of witch hunts. We started a long time ago.
The last high-profile special counsel investigation into Trump's ties to Russia lasted roughly 2 years. Legal experts say this could wrap much sooner.
I suspect it means we'll see a decision and potential indictment within the first 3 months of the new year.
This special counsel starts today, but the investigations have been ongoing for months because the FBI and prosecutors have been on the case. Meanwhile, the White House tells CBS News that it was not given a heads up about this announcement. Major.
With all the details, Jeff Pegues, thank you.